Welcome back to Life with a Knife. My name is Jack, and today our recipe comes straight from the heart of the Midwest, Wisconsin-style brats. These aren't just regular sausages. This is American tradition, backyard memories, and how tailgate legends are born. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Wisconsin-style brats like a pro. Let's get to chefing. First, you need onions, okay? We are going to cut these onions up. Nothing too thin. If you want them thin, then cut them thin. I like to go right in the middle because they are going to cook down. Into our pot, we are going to go 1 stick of butter. To the butter, go ahead and add your onions. I went heavy on the onions because I like onions. If you're not a massive fan of onions, and you're not going to put a bunch of them on your brat, then don't. But we're going Wisconsin style, and I'm trying to become a tailgate master. Now, while those onions cook down, a little salt. Onions are cooking down. Perfection. Okay. Gonna go ahead and add your brats into your onions. Delicioso. I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes to this. I like a little spice. Okay. I'm gonna take garlic cloves. And I'm just gonna give them a little smash. And now the most important part. Beer. PBR. That's what we're using. I want to fully submerge these beautiful sausages in beer. Perfection. Now we're gonna bring these up to another light simmer and we're gonna cook these. Perfection. And look at that, we have an extra, so you know what that means? American tradition. Drink that beer. That's it! Our brats have been simmering away for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now when you're simmering your brats, you need to keep them on a low medium heat. If you go too hot, the casings are gonna pop, and that's not what we're looking for. Low heat, okay? When they're cooked, about 150, 155 degrees, you want to pull them off, get your grill ready, and we're going to throw them on the grill. Now you see this brat. Beautiful. All the way around, okay? Now, I'm going to give it a little dunk. I don't want these onions necessarily burning on top. We're going to go ahead one. Take it. Give it a nice little dunk. Clean them up as best you can. Get off of here, onion. Okay? If you can't get the onions off, no big deal. Beautiful. Oh. This sauce has begun to, I don't even know, this liquid has become such a beautiful piece of art. Delish. I wasn't even hungry before I made this video, and now I'm starving. This is perfection. Same thing on your grill. You don't want to get too hot. You don't want to bust your casings. Medium tops. We're looking for the char. That's all we're going for. These bad boys are cooked. That's it. Our beer liquid love session is happening in the pot. Our brats are getting a delicious golden brown on the grill. We also have another cast iron. Why? Sauerkraut. Okay, we're coming in. Butter. Sauerkraut. Boom. Yeah, baby. Yep. Delish. Our beer, garlic, onion, red pepper flake blend of liquid is hanging out, is continuing to reduce. We have a couple of dog buns right here. I have a little bit of cheese because what is better? A Wisconsin brat with cheese or no cheese? I don't know. Hot mustard. We're definitely going in with both. Boom. I'm not scared. Nope. Boom. Now, we've got sauerkraut. Boom, baby. We need more. We need more. Oh, sauerkraut. Sauerkraut. Oh. Boom. Now we're going 1, 2 brat. Before we finish building these brats, what are we supposed to do with these other brats? Oh, I'm going to tell you exactly what. Back in to the mixture. Now at this point, you're going to come in. Those beautiful sauteed onions, we're coming on top. That's it. That's it. That's it. Boom. Just like so. Now these other brats, they're going to make love to themselves in that beer, almost a brine, red pepper flake, garlic. They're just going to hang out because all the other friends that are going to come in, they want those nice warm brats. And when you go in for seconds, you want it cold? No, you don't. No, you don't. They're going to hang out. Put a top on that because we're courteous and we want everybody to have that warm food. Now, to one of our brats. Colby Jack cheese. Because we can. That's the only reason. Because we can. Okay? Now, which one's going to be better? The brat with Colby Jack? The brat with no cheese? Oh, look at this bad boy. You see this thing? That was fantastic. Now I'm going to tell you right off the bat, if you don't like hot mustard, it's okay. Okay? What makes hot mustard is horseradish. If you are not a fan of horseradish, take some good mustard, lather that bad boy up, and you're good to go. It's not the end of the world. No cheese. Let's see where we're at. Surprisingly enough, I don't like horseradish. I know. And I love cheese. The brat with the cheese is better. I just love cheese. I can't argue it. And there you have it. Wisconsin brats done right. If you like this video, please hit that like, subscribe button. It helps this channel out tremendously. You guys all have yourselves a blessed day.